Dakota Fire Pit outside of a shelter. You can see it's burning off the grass nearby. This one was just created. And so we want to make sure that it doesn't touch the outside of the shelter. And you could even lengthen this and get it even further away. So depending on how big the Dakota Fire Pit is, or what your shelter is made of, you can really get it pretty far away from the wall. But you don't want any flammable brush, so that's the reason we're outside of this right now, making sure that all this grass, which will eventually die off because the roots will be heated up, is burned off when we make a big fire. So until that is all gone, or we could cover it up with dirt to prevent it from catching on fire, we want to make sure that it doesn't catch our shelter on fire. So the longer that U-shaped tube is of your Dakota Fire Pit, where the flames and smoke are going to come out, the further you can get it away from your shelter. So this would just be off of a basic lean-to. You could put this in any shelter depending on what it's made out of. Like, you would not want to put this on a debris hut, because a spark from that, depending on the material you made your debris hut from, could catch your shelter on fire. But you always want to come outside, especially if you build a new fire, check it until all flammable materials have been burned away.